Nkwegeli abale boigo business studies na entrepreneurship. Nkwegeli abale food production yani cookery na boigo food and beverage production. Aseti nsamu cha cosmetology nigoto kwegeli beauty therapy Murang'a. Ase beauty therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi bw'ekirero unabono hair dressing, pedicure, manicure egati ubumanyi bunde obunge boigonto bwate kosi ya mechanical and automotive engineering agirira moretu mwanu ainyorere ubumanyi obwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egenderete agirira eskuru yigani yere kilomita ya mune muskuru asomo chokeroka na wogwaka esimu witrasi namba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirena kwenyorera ubumanye iri wibekeri bagari rya asensiga yokwirwanirira.
Karibu sana nendo mwancho morigerere asensemo yengambo ya getembe ase bireviga byabona maragoba nekero turache kusanga aiga kurigereria amangana ya magendero ase orogongo rwa Gusii county ya Kisii na Wigeli ya Nyamira na abuna na chika ko gotebya aiga se studio nigo nde no director yo mogoso yo mwa director aiga oyorache kusanga na intwe na bwonto manyanga andake siasa imbe gusembe engi ya gusembe neronga kikubwaterani amagendero gose ti project tiri serikali ebegete. Karibu sana nchekro kwa Matilda ovoigo sangana ntwe chisemo cha Facebook na voigo YouTube eyamasemo buna Getembe TV. Good evening director.
Mbiyamano yo minto Matilda.
Yes.
Na wakiro kase studio ya Getembe. Abantu ba minto mwanya getinga na bakwa nimbu ya muri mwesi asemwe abeta. Ne maragwa bengi ya ukagaiga tunyara kwa bashare bunana ki serikali maendeleo anyata kolentu anoyo minto president William Ruto yoto choreta buna ki director kurugusi yawan
mbio muna sana na anda ketare ga na ro kwa busy sana se wiki ga asegati ya valinge ne rombe yomrai wensingira kwa nenga etare ga ayorochinga obiyamborora
bana uyambaro yo minto Matilda lakini bali batamaiti tigankore ngala onkore introduction nkega
yes director
Tengoro kujared mekanyongwae setogera sakoro kusengereri gachuba ward ali mid location na beta appointed na president William Ruto una director ya Water Resources Authority lakini before that ango korega asiari Kisii University in the School of Health Sciences na to kolegasi aso gosomia banyagitari na bakonyara kwa bagosoma otherwise my qualification near medical laboratory training inara to gosomia bana university
bebono karibu natakora manyinga anakina kiwete kubwatakana netare yiga yomurai wense tomanya kugendera ainga kiwete now that weekend ngima
omora William Samuel Ruto buna chagusi Ega cha bune president.
Yes.
You know campaign injira chaka. Ega lengo na developmental tour kuligereria na kuligereje na gotoa magendero mbalimbali. Buna manifesto ya huda yare goteba. Goteba goreje para ataba jinya gitari agateba FCR oboremi market nande nabondo chembu yako lete sabari ya matukane. Asoko omerana n'abana inji ako gamba na leaders na twara meeting ya state lodge ya Kisii so that abana inji bamotebi mo other challenges they have na mana rambu ya era abana inji na baisa negete
yes
buna country mbi ya kwanda na bagusi mbatigire mae gasa mae
mbache osanga nae ubamanyinga ki amaene mbagoge tugusinga mbaisanigite no bokorerwa serikali kolende ekirongo kwirania watebanga nigo elieteliga director ndake ligo chakurwasi Water Resources Authority insemiga inkiego kora inkiuranya gukwanira umachomori
Water Resources Authority edo tenere tamachi in the country.
Yes,
that toko andoro cheiga ochake kubucha ochake ku abstract ya maji etoko ruchi licenses kyo anybody okutumia maji wetambali baga otumia kubeka maji ya estima wetambali baga otumia irrigation so that we safeguard water for the future of this country and for now toko le mege sima tutara kwa permit into toko measure from one distance to the other to what experts basomera mangana maji bakurukie hydrologist bakurigere ribuya kabisa amanya wa device ege sime kamo tuwekende it's possible na bakonyora maji so that's what we do. But then also safety ya dam chance in the country when sure nga dam njiro siku ya maji gagocha aitabanto na mwaro cha sekete ali uchina akuru so we have a wide range from Ramu, from Mombasa, all over the country to go safeguard water. To what is around 35 officers in the country. Now wafanyakazi bara around 800 egasieta no go safeguard ya maji na to ensure quality ya maji to ko nyuga mbiyere. To what kira bara to mbali to go pima maji to ensure the quality is good. So by so doing anyara safety ya Kenyans igere buya.
Mbemona sana ekiro kurigereria ndake gusia senseme yega ya maji amacha bantu bagutumika rombo yale.
Amacha atawa level mbuyale because we have surveillance and our laboratories
chindo chichira randa kichiro chekero chikurigero no nyomo chibosonga iga okana una daraja mbili ali nkonyororinga enchiranere abantu bagutumika chindo chobobe andakenseme yoro kurigero limole
kurigero to ndo bwata abantu betu chabese naginata at least every place in the country ndo bwata chabese to kala surveillance imbale ngabono chindo mbali pollution ero ngo check to lento bwate ntoranya 100% lakini ntotemete ni conjunction with other partners like NEMA like Mwara commissioner president ya Chora in Alobi River but we have programs all over to ensure nga macha ito na the safe na the pollution tego kormono so we have done that abantu bai kweni croach towards ya chindo mono so we have tried also to
was encroachment director akiro kurigereria abuna igagusi abantu mbasimigete emete bakachindo che mechi stream cha mache abantu mbaga chite nonyo konyoro no ebiasara abantu babigete roche mbarabare andaki ekiro gukwana na barabu to taragendera kurigereria mbangana ya magenderande nyara gusangana bunga andake nkiye serikali ngochika kioko iga yabwatukire obware na kyo monta bwana to kurendo roche
obware mbaro nemete nero etakere gusime nero rasimekete nywa mache mono lakini nere bune malinga mtota mo discourage abantu baitu indi ingaki ngabono ntu atwarete campaign ingakete emete yonse pia abantu babutole malinga matingi ya butu at some point so like nateva ere multi approach multi tobwate ikyo organization mbali toko number 1 toko enda sabagambi twatema kugamba n'abantu baitu twaba the disadvantages yoko simeke mete mine merenga mwange na chindocha abange baigule lakini bakanga nateba na batara igubu yega lakini toke endereta sana bakora civic education to ensure ngabantu baito ba understand the reason why mete kunywa maji in future we may not have enough water for everyone.
Mbia mona sana na asense moyende ndochenga etaito yago amangana jamii mara mashinani andake umurubiri wigabwa serikali jamii kiye kurigereriwa ekiombe yoko jamii mara mashinani ekiombe kere composed of directors neji chairman kiki parastato mbalimbali in the country ekiombe ke egasietana ne nogo etana around the country kurigereri buna amagenderero aye president ngo ikirara abantu nande mono twamanya challenges abantu baito babwate twamanyira kwanda twachire asenga ntwarenge Isioro ntwarenge Nanyuki ntwarenge Nyandarua nande ntogenderete kogenda ntwarenge Nyamira gaiga twaostetie
maneno ito chia lady okoroku PS ya public health okoroku Madam Mary Mudhoni, a very hard working lady. We have been able, we have a plan yogo talira abantu bonsi to manye challenges fabwate na to explain agenda like SHA to explain to any kind of abantu barecheste for SHA because abantu there's a lot of negative publicity kwanyoranga ambayo iko chester sufficiently, so we are encouraging our people out in large numbers barecheste na SHA so that they are able to get services from the government.
Okay.
And the Ginjira Jones Kipara, the water director, Korvadena, the Kipara, National Ways Authority, Kura, every sector, water and borough, so that when the president taken away and one out there about what has been done and the challenges which are there. We go to a hall and encourage people to ask us questions. And we have been able to answer.
No, nyevono no ready kubodu wa maswali.
Ambao nende ready kubodu wa maswali. Lakini achera gaiga kubodu wa maswali so that we are able to explain and to answer to Kenyans.
Mbona sana director ekira tukwanira jamii mashinani andake project gusomoro bili buno yo serikali ebwate kwene kenga abantu nkumanye gose abantu gusanga bale birengerere byabo igati ya challenges chiri bagwetira gochia serikali. Andake no kwanerenga omukinore andake nonye nae kwa bekire kwene kibuna abantu bamanyirenga serikali ne bwato murobeli ole bunaiga nigo gukorekana asinjirenga buno yani abantu batwara ubumanyi. Yes.
Again kaya kana tawo kwa jamii mara mashinani. Actually we pass around kwa tabia abantu bumanyi. Batabia abantu baito inki serikali yako inki chinyomba igoro ya housing. People have been able to ask us questions. We go into a hall and ask people to ask us. We explain. PS for all to explain about challenges SHA if they are there it has. And tuamanya in the process na bako nyara abantu serikali yako takina there some also enemies and negative publicity they affect very good cause. Yes.
Yes, mbuyo mono sana na andake bono tokwiranira ase gati yechi project echiga gose mega projects echiria serikali ene kwate go chaiga serogongo rogusi aye buno mu director ekirego kwana ukurigererie kamireri andake no nyale gotebyo mu gusinga amaene emirobiri gangwikiranire
mirobiri ngoikiranire kabisa Matilda. For instance kara president yake to chakere Nyamira University. University nera ali Nyamira yasire kwa gache miaka mengi sana. Manye yasinyire miaka mengi. Lakini kara president yake te na watu wakikishirite nga its on course. And we hold so. Na ara abantu bagatabanga university ya bere round jiri marange. Lakini talibo. Litangani tokagenda na waziri na members of parliament wasiri mikosi yogamba. Ekara choro tukigime president yakamutask. Na ndo korega asingi ya sana. Go ensure nga the university ya take shape. Tukaikaransa na leaders na balimu baterete gise abasemi go school ya Kiabanyoro.
Yes.
Tukaigwana na buna university ngojere. Tukarigere the facility. That was not launching passe. Kana arabe abantu badanga to arrange university ya marange. That was not it. The second time tuacheta ali Kiabanyoro tuachete na abantu baterete KDF. One president ya Bairo Authority yanda mchaga kwa construction. Na ritu aketene waziri wa Kenya Defense the lady na vice chancellor of Kisii University Professor Nathaniel Ogech who is really doing a very good job. Toka pali na waziri for education Migosi Ogamba tukachaka bono tukaleye foundation. Tukateba asaya na wachinyomba chi kocha kwagachu. It was a big ceremony because for many years we have asked for this university and watch. Vakatago ranyomba chalenga ali vakacha construction. As we are speaking today, construction at university you get on course. And in September, the president confirmed. He committed 500 million for that building construction. The reason KDF here is because of the fast speed. You want to buy to Vatatuari. Vakarigia contractor, and we are able to see a building will come up. Tuanya oranande na igoma bungo bagota banga there are gazetted Commissioner for University Education had a process here. And I expected our members of parliament to know better about criticize this university. Because after two agachire a building neta get the chiabis, neta get the address, neta get the mission, neta get the vision. Then from there, Commissioner for University Education approve a university it will go ahead and then we are able to proceed. So every program is on course. We will have an intake in September. Ya wanafunzi. Yes. I'm confident about that.
Abo menyiwe county ya Nyamira amba igwetenga university negenderete amagacho na arorekanire onye no igegekero tukurigireria tibichecho barorire amagacho na aroro otatiga bono nga abwase indexing na ndiye guchaka ukore mirimo na aba menya wange bako kose bako ebore otatiga ase university iga andake no kwandere nga delay yaye ngobwatekana na siasa embe.
University delay teyo. Madam they no plan. You know, William has been a president for only 3 years. Again, the way we speak is like he has been a president all along. Miage tato. Miage na tu amorita the university. Ya sinyire miage ndako chakocha. Whatever university kwa berega. And he has already made every effort, and the university is now possible. So by September, ngonya tore intake ya wanafunzi.
By any chance aikero kurigireyo mbuna bono abarai bali bachorire birugo andake kuri county ya Nyamira. Do you feel like echinga kinchire patwale toko musana na igoro ye university yiga semukirwe na tekubeko no nyare gukwana nga siasa buneri negati ya chiri cha nyare ko bachiko dirila magendera se orogongorega.
Yes. I could say that the project in president ya toire unabagusi twanyare to kungusanana eye mo ya bona airport na yenda university lakini I'm happy our politicians but dropped those differences bagateba for the sake ya bagusi for the sake ya bantu betu banyamira bakaiwanana so the process has been ongoing and I'm happy nobody is opposing it. Yes, it was an issue initially even when the president was very ready to have the university kare. So we are happy abashimiwa baitomba igwana ine. There is no opposition. Everything is moving on very well. William Ruto is delivering a university in Nyamira. You no other person has ever delivered.
Na se amagenderande chi project au chirichi serikali kiro kurigira buna bono airstrip ya Suneka kwarigireria mangana buna affordable housing. Director umanyete ekiro kurigireria gasi yao. Nkonyorore nkotemere ko batana na kurwa sava na siasa but after all nkonyorore lazima mukore gasi nabona siasa yabaiga kayogo chorero mustaringa inchebuno mo director roles cyane kibonente wekagaiga na abana siasa gusavura bali bage siasa ekero to kore miremo nchetinga ka siasa abana siasa
wano omate ndobwata bana siasa gazi aban siasa lakini for some of us gazi to no go deliver on the mandate we have been given by the president. You are number one, water, to ensure our water is available, our water is safe to the people of Kenya, which we are doing. But we work hand in hand, like that's why I said in jamii mara mashinani we articulate ndobwata siasa ndeons ndio tobata yabanga amaje problem tobwata na amaje. Like now we articulate even what the government has done. Even don't be like in what. I'll give you an example in the country. In Kisi, there is one of the largest dams which has not built in the country since independence. Korukumwache dam Kwale. Very large. About it. But William Ruto has delivered one of the largest dams in East Africa.
Lakini ngakia wananchi baraba
wananchi bale kwale pata anakorore mbura for many years. You reach there and you really get shocked. But is delivering this project in the next few months it will be up and it will be working. We are delivering around 200 boreholes in Northeastern. In Seta anakorra Machepi, Nigarissa, Wajir, Mandera, Isiolo, Marsabit. So William Ruto is almost delivering. Apart from the negative publicity, the president is so committed and to deliver on some of the promises, including the promise
including project amache na araroro andake no nyaru konranga murubiriki gosena kie serikali ya rubiringa amache ari kiraroro atumike buya na boigongo sabwaronye no muchio bosongo gochia batebenga ngoikare bakachinse mucha Suneka na ki project eri yake gatiero na ki erobeire
good bono tietora jakera mache kera president yake te nalo ngitia mache where I was because I'm a stakeholder toka ndari Nyamira assess yo ko Jacqueline Momanyi for Lake Victoria akolira a decent job. Tokala mcha machari Nyamira ali agocha ko ende mechi y'abantu akoruku last mile. Last mile etakere kero muntu, every person, most people get water.
Yes.
Na ndeto kakore ntoko ronga solarization, toko tuwabeka solar so that we are able to save on the pumping by electricity and save on cost, so that many people are able to get water. So that is the project which the president launched. Nyamiro rochari mbono tu atwara our own water. Nande a project in again Nero on site is there. So soon the pipes are going to run through all those areas in Nyamira, which you all over there, and the people will get water. So this is a reality. We were asakoro kunga ibeno gali alias topugate angena kegati. Nara machande twaro ngizine president gali that fenu ya kidunyari bari chache no mheshimiwa Sahil. Amacha mange ali gorogali agocha kwenda all the way to Suneka under last mile for water. So those are projects chiroro ndatinga chiko tebo that we have enough water, so connectivity is going to take place in conjunction na Kisi Kusi Water Company. So the president under his leadership also promised water and is able to have delivered in most parts of the country. The dams is making around 50 dams which he has also spoken. They are also on, so that agriculture producers are able to, because we need water for any agricultural activities.
Yes, Director Nche bada se kiaga sukira se orogongoroiga kusi kaunti ya Nyamira neria yiga ya Kisi twarorire ase mirobiriga yo kwigora amache okorigire nonya aliyo so mutandao ba Kenya bande bakuburenga nkimura ibunsa gote kwigora buna bono umurobiri buna bono amachange musyo bohol kumenya kuburinga emirobiri yiga andaketiri gusona na nobokoreri bwa babunge ase chipesa cha CDF bono chira chikutumeka bobe
enga bona jete tindo jete chi project Jones president ya tarete. There are projects which are of chipesa chiregor. They did not come for one single pole. No, there's no way I call on Japol. Is launching mega projects. Jira konya vanta bange 16,000 abantu users singa machari twalonje tigo rogali 16,000 people will benefit from that water. Abantu batana korra abantu batana korra machari pipe. In the next 1 year they'll be having piped water in their homesteads. That is the magnitude the people president I will touch. Kara machari jakira kolegas. So yes.
Na ekiro kurigireria ase amangana buno bono bonchoreria amangana yobwaga chibwe nyumba na ebintu bingi buno bono twarore kubwatoka chibesa chiaga chiskuru ekiro kurigire buno bono ase chichiro nkonyorore nga chichiro njiro chibonete kwagachwa ne serikali weteranda ke chibesa cha CDF njiro chibonete kwagachwa kurigirerirwa ne serikali ya county koma yokonyoranga umurayi bwensochire obwatukire chibesa chiagachi chinsemugete na kiriburiria neri arengenga anda kenga ne yigatiri gochikoreta ogusigikani egatiye chibesa chiri cha CDF chibonete gwikerania amagendero ase chibunge au konyoranga umurayi bwenso baguswaniri ko se chibesa cha rule national government cha rule se president direct chiaguswaniri omo sigoli chibesa cha CDF chibonete okora.
Well, you know, your assurance become from the government. I want to say for the first time, President William Ruto unyore abangina baito. Mama Mboga Orosirichi market, Masimba market is almost complete. Egetuki there will be market, Nyakoe there will be market, and the most we are going to have several markets, which abantu baita mama baita bako ni chinyeni bare in the comfort. But we are so mogaso. These are some of the achievements the president is doing. At some point, CDF na bora take up enough. So I think there must be arrangements where what CDF can do within a market and what CDF cannot do. So I think there is also proper understanding between the national government and the members of parliament where possible. Yes.
Chinyombo cha affordable housing watarira se chiko igorwa. Koroka noriko tarase chinyombe chike usama gacha yega bekire konyoro mugusi kwemurunganinga na kibato a chinyomba nje gintu naganete andake ne para gintu narigetie nestima andake ayibono buno mu direct kusebali muri asense meyega mu kwanira jamii mara mashinani mwakorire ugutara mu manyenga chinse mugete ukugane kwabo ko igorokore ase sector gete.
Yes. Asante sana asiri swali leo Minto Matilda. Ugotara twatarire abantu arengenya ururu gari karokorigereri abakora nyomba chiete igoro sana. Karokonda Kisumu na bakora the town is getting transformed. ekaroko under Laikipia na bakora housing ebintu bire very feasible in our manifesto for Huda. In the manifesto of the president, what he promised the Kenyans, housing was there. And he has delivered on the houses. Abantu mpana kwa pampe Murungani. You see, I was reading Karavana wa Israel, wali ko move to Sirevali to the promised land. Wali ko Murungani, Marangi, almost 15 times. If you read the Bible. 15, wako na kwe Murungani. Even after, wako miyogi kurumaiga, orochero, rogwatana naiga, Betire, but the next thing they say now, why did you bring us here, Moses? Why did you bring us to the wilderness? Why did you ingiwata ruseli and set to arenge nera in to asumbuget ingiwata to kwenda desert? What William is doing the right things for this country. Chinyomba, that is the only way we can reach Singapore, because people must live decent life. There are people who are Nyomba, they have no problem.
So you
but
also believe in Singapore?
If you go to the Neka Nairobi gari, Islamu gari, Tokoro Kanga na Nyayo gari, abantu they are so happy because they lived a bad life. You know, some of us here, because we may not understand how much Nyomba chirichia kunire other people. They'll never forget.
Utatigobona so mugusi chinyomba chibona bonekero kurigereria chinse mo chirichia ugembo meafu machoge chinyomba chia chiregoro chiarorekanire kiro kurigere nyancho ali nchirororo. Do you feel like nga eyenero wono nyancho as affordable housing ere eke ogoteba maene chipara chigoso aroro ne chimbe? Do you feel like nga ekitambukire kwiga ekiaringe kingencho kubwa andake chipara chiri chikoira abantu nonye na se chinyombe chigachenya?
Good. That's a very good question, Matilda. You know, alia sengo rumanga, jena wero to manga sengaragari, to masaba, chinyomba ngoro sikuchiro. I can tell you, chinyomba kina jiwe to kogere pare ro sikuera ami ike manga gari. Chipare chinyombe ira jegora kora nyanjwa jira mujeta nane. Asi chinyombe ikiaga chiru na gari ngonyo yogweta ngongi suswaro. You see many of them. Chipare chikoro sikuchiobu ya. So ina reminder to whatever. That's when we are talking about Singapore. This is exactly what we are talking about. Good housing, good roads. And the president is committed to Kokole Bintebi. Yes, so chipara nchechero sukunia all those houses so that accessibility is there.
Andake nyolio mousinga andake murubiriga bwa affordable housing mbale bwato muchando noro nga ekirenga nkiaki kyalenge kuse manifesto yoko ene kichinyombe chiga cha vere nonye gusichinza mu buno gembo ekirenga ninki
ekirenga kyarenga abantu bamenye buya bamenye quality good life. Abantu bali basumboke you may not understand bali bakuna kwe Murungani bama etinga abantu bali batakere bamenye chinyomba dize, and that's what William promised the people. Ozoko so manifesto ye party ya Huda igakota banga chinyomba yate bagirikacha president yakaira ni bako bwoyo bwalenga 5000 bogacha 2700 but still abantu bana kwe Murungani. But you know, these are things he promised the Kenyans. Akabata ebi bosingoira na bolense ande bokairana. Akabata ya dollar will be stabilized. One dollar karwa say arenge 160 karagote cover power ero get 129. I think so what he has promised is almost delivering, and actually has delivered.
Omenyo yo marenge kuboria ninki kyakirete muraibu ense agaika asoro ngorwa gusi kare gusi agendete netwa yae na rigori ria maguta rikorarigwa andake nonyare go comment kende yonse rigori ria petrol imense
petrol president na kwanete na kara mereta abagambia di state lodge ega ko controlled by ega bet affected by the international Iran and the USA na Israel. Ebi ntombire totabwati powers of as long as totaikoya maguta ito ntobwati powers petrol. Tigatona ko sabanya sae akune abagambe ba Israel na ba USA na Israel abakune chingoro cyaba batigesegi amaguta ira na igibazi girenze. That's why we are regretting Antoine Konyara maguta ito within the country. Twara twara ya ito ga durukana abotako puremwe president lakini maguta atana Antoine Konyara
nkona gendera ukubolia yaturukana lakini na ayituri mu waziri asesemeyo director asengana bune yiga pono kwanyora nga bakenya banyorire wrong information munyite umuchando kurura se proper communication yetayo andake no kwanirenga asense mu bune yiga pono ligoliria maguta andake abakenya bange bamaitenga muchando ningo umurai wense nekiro kurigire nstemu yo kwamiriria serikali na borobo igento batevirenga andake amangana yichi kampuni na boigo komento gwa VAT babe kama mocho ase umurai wense director sensemiyo inki aruhura kwanrenga communication kuro ase serikali boikero mwananchi yabeire issue no itabe
bas communication yo mwananchi na yo anda jamii mara mashinani you know ntoko tigera bintu byanse president yana will explain actually we are taking that role seriously komanya bunana ki bintu mebango ya serikali na yo andateka there is a lot of miscommunication on most aspects bantu mbai goisane ka mean mbara understand ibintu binda serikali ya kolire binge na yo jamii mara mashinani to take over to go explain in numbers in reality singi ya koru chi market iranga cha gachiro ncha kabero kiskuru is now are they supported the university education university ma the president William Kanyataracha. Let me tell you, even salaries was a problem. Today come to Kisii University and see the wonders Professor Nathan Ogech, my boss, has done. The university is learning, the students are happy, the lecturers are happy, and every worker is happy. That's why I just strike it around Otara from any university. And Katwara a Hepo Waziri Migosi Ogamba, who has done a wonderful job. So most aspects in the day of Kenya bakunga inu mono. Bakunga inu n'abantu baliro mbaya. Unoli moro choko centro egasi ano koboka na kora me president. We cannot build a country going that way.
Omo ncho muligereria kendera gusanga na intwe chinsemo cha Facebook na boigo chinsemo cha YouTube tonyore AMSAM buna Getembe TV kubwate kubolia konde wensi kirengereri kende uligeti gusanga na boigo na bokonyara gusanga soko lika ujumbe yao ucha namba yeito ye studio 0726447367 manyere tari yao chinsemo chiri ogenda tukoligereria engambo ya Getembe kurwa na boigo ekirengereri kya ongereke kiroro chenga umu director naraiga andake kurwa sensemo yesereka kali oigweteri ogi ria serikali okubori kwa onkoroki animono asensemo ya magendero kyagira aboiga nabo bagosena oyo mo bwegati yabali bagotumwa ne serikali gusanga naye onye kubwate ibolirinde lyonsi animono ikiro kwa ringa amagendero naro ye serikali andake aretire obututukanu kubwa mono bunabona umuraiwensi alire chira nyara gusanga ekirengereria kiao gocheiga ase studio chinsemo cha Facebook tonyore na Getembe TV na boigo chinsemo chiria cha YouTube na bokonyara gwa kesi boigo gocheiga ase studio director ndochinga kiro to kwanira yaiga ni muno tukwirana ase ensemeli yechisemi sentera cho kuligereria engana yensemo yechisemi ndocheiga mbara already bachakira usanga ekirengereria kiabo ase university bunabona ya Kisii yabere institution ebwate influence sana usi yabere ke utwara libagari naso gukini abantu semangana yichi semie kwa abantu emirimo n'ebintu binde binge buno mukori emirimo timete you're still there buno mukori emirimo obwe university ya Kisii university ero isikorigere imyaka buno bono nonyetane 3 yaitire amonchorire yabere andake no tebenga ni influence gose no kuboko gwe serikali enene kwa bekirwaro gose no burayo bya gose no mugusi bweka onyare gotebanga tigabo bwatira naso cross school bayamana soko mboli iswali ya Kisii University Kisii University omate ngakine 2 years ago nera abana bachore tabange countrywide even last year nera ekaba picked ekaba selected na wanafunzi abange number 1 our programs chire chinyinge and the quality engage. Our law school students are about Tangana Kenya ngima. About Stratimo. It's on record. They do very well. Our school of medicine to Achagete Kisii we are ranked very highly. To what wanafunzi abaya na basiri teaching nyingi. Mba graduate.
Graduate. Group Tangani yeah graduate. And we have many other programs. That's why Kenya tugata bana 1,000 to ahead of many other universities. Wake kama jikoranta ingi Kisii. Lakini if you go there today under the leadership of my boss Professor Nathan Ogech, who is a linguistic a very decent organized man. The university is fully transformed. When you go there, even at the offices, the gate, wonderful. Secondly, there's a lot of cooperation with our leaders. You can't hear anybody dissatisfied with what's going on. He has an open approach policy. Wanafunzi karwa the problem, the office is open. Workers, the office is open. The community around. So this one, you rented a lot of harmony and unity amongst all stakeholders, I can say. Yes.
You as a director, anda kiurumu bwatani bwa university bune yiga kiro kurigereria ne bwate kwa kon family yayo mwenye nenga ne bwata boroki wabange sana lakini ngurigereria kwa ranga mazingira andake unabono chipara chigo swase university eri ngororinga the surrounding tirababu yigo na agati mali ngororinga school eri andake ne bwate kirbo do you feel like nga kubwatira na nkuganirie gati yabo bwatani ime yagusigo kine university ya Kisii egendare kubwabunere.
I get it. Number one, Matilda, kara president yare gocha ndiri yabete pisi yake asare gocha amo Kisii University. Again, that gocha gokora is exactly what you have asked. Number one, hostel. Like there's a contractor on site. Hostel ne center for students. Ekoteka pa bana 10,000. Hostel chinene ne student center. Ne biti wate bakege ti. The president was running that project, but it's ongoing. The foundation, the contractor is already on site. It will be transformed. Chipara kito intora rosibuya, but we have a plan. We have a plan. The paranera ya mukuru Kisii school na veke teko chari. Nobody more maybe but I think the management, the university council go na ndata ko gamba ne our surrounding neighbors. When Kirudi Kari, Girls and Kisii school, why one so that we have a more land for more development. I agree with you, Avana Babichire, na Asaya Bichire, and no matter Caravana Babichire, you're a community in Kogiroere, and they're also benefiting. So I've been taking it beyond CP in Bide and a course.
Koira se bungeri avonchari, chise mocha suneka, no kwale, ekero, egeti, keri, airstrip. Ndake mwancho murigana arige kumanyanga suneka umete bagote bune etike chindege airport or say airstrip.
No suneka gere airstrip. Suneka bunere airstrip ige ko chagotokonya kolina chindege korwa ku Nairobi na ku Mombasa. Ekere tiege ko ku international ekere kera rente chindege chiri chinene chikoruga chenda Dubai you have the case charu suneka kiagenda maybe a country ngao yanda Uganda kere chindege chinke lakini chikoto konya mara anga ba usitu asumbukire sana ikene kegento kende leaders baito babwenta ko chamo nande bachiramo for the purpose to airstrip for long a president got the opportunity yoga choranga itoko be airstrip ntoigwana lakini mama ntoigwana leaders baito bakaigwana. Under the leadership of William Ruto also, take note, airport yeli within 5 months.
Airstrip ya Suneka.
Airstrip ya Suneka. Goli natora ndege korwa ku Mombasa. Airstrip ya Suneka, goli natora ndege korwa ku Nairobi. In 5 months. So we are hopeful because the contractor is on site. Some little work has been done and it will happen. So that's some of the development the president had promised. You have Kenya
and our Tinyo director na ndina buto kurangirega uko confirm nga ambaye naye bweko monyene kwari ni ndege korusuneka
ku Nairobi and I'll be more willing to come because I'm sure this one is going to happen.
So far nga yekere
so far varusiri baraniri yake bono namage no go cement no korosia service. So there's some little work which has happened since the last time we visited Nabantu Kenya Airways Authority. I can tell you the president is committed. He made this promise and it will happen.
Mbia mwana sana mwancho murigirerea chingaki ni chao sange kirengere kyao hochiga studio bunabono yiga watenga thanks for the talk. Watenga the president is on course, especially confirming the Nyamira University. Kitutu Masaba was disadvantaged on the president's tour. Mogesi oyagotebanga Mogesi zatigatateveti Mogesi arali watching you live director all the way from Marani Mr. Onsongo Bernard Dos Sengereri out of Mixed Day Secondary School outanga thanks for the support you offered. Okay na boigo nabo tukanyara gusanga wetira ase nsemo yokuvugoria simi Getembe hello hello bwairire.
Hello.
Hello Getembe Wairire.
Hello.
Yes. Hello. Oyo karanga dioge na po dia. Hello. Mwancho murigirire na bokunyara obwaka esimi na boigo na bokunyara okosanga nente enekinga network yao osesimi yao mbia egokori ase chinga kiechiga Getembe. Hello. Hello Getembe. Hello Wairire.
Hello. Hello madam.
Hello.
Ambia.
Ningo kwa nani?
Ongwana tutanganya.
Ukubole kwa onkoroki. Director kwa igure. Yoga whatever andake tara kupwata bia timanyitinga project ki ere arigiti gukwanira
matai ali kemeza ta we problem ya ne to clarify.
Hello Getembe. Wairire bia
Enje ndukuru kitu masawan kendera sawa chale ndio rawo. Hello.
Hello.
Ono nalikuvolia. Mbale ko gitu masawane ne duoro ndoro jivi to wa koro jivi na wona nyake chenje nyake ali ra to chande te mbale ko yakimia.
Bia mono. Gakubolinga nyagitari korwa kitutu masaba.
Yes. Koru kitutu masaba. Nyagitari yo atebire nyagachenche nyagitari ere nka seito kemera igorogali ana beta keira improved. Lakini kare president yakete nyagitari atebete agochakera nyagitari ya Nyamira asabe kete 1 billion aseyo oko ya upgrade. LTK ama tegere followed.
Yes.
We will also talk now on the county so that nyagitari yeto ya nyagachenche nyara ka upgrade.
Ine erinse county ya Nyamira. Erense
yobotene kwe county ya Nyamira lakini nabotogo chago kwana nabantu batenete county ya Nyamira batema ko improve nyagitari bune bya nyagachenche.
Mbia mono sana.
Mbia mono so minta seri swali.
Getembe. Hello. Hello Getembe. Okay. Hello Getembe.
Hello.
Yes, kwana na intwe. Wairebia.
Hello.
Yes, ntoko iwete.
Omo wa bina tarete upi. Wa bina tarete upi. Akakutomi.
Genderera lio kanto ko iwete. Koranga ochire neliboliria agukwanira chira chomura ibwense. Yes, hello. Okay, pole sana akupulinga chira chomura ibwense na bwigo tuiwe kioyo. Getembe. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, bwairire.
Ukona neli kumisiani kuri ndanda. Ndenda woli murayo yinga ina abantu bari kukura. Uto ebintu bya menti ebingo kiwo aikerete simiti alenge ya samfi. woni gere mi adis ama buta komenda esi kinana ni chukaka la simu yake komenda echuma ya renge silingi ya 6 kwa nuru tini liwe rodi mbana kwa tunani hicho
mbia mano
umra yini mu maito bia sana lakini asara abu asese mwenye mtinto kwa ya kwa nitama singenjo bikoru mpia ya ruto tali kwa kora pio mungu kana chuki yani anakuwa nayo afia yani ya chu kwani bidwa moteli ngirina ki
yes
era sese mo ya etigara gere uyenda uyara kimi mangana mugusindo ko waro bigo uno muntu komende nyendo ama buta komende bisho ndo muta lengi bijini nongo ni biti wone gari wani sere
mbia mono sana
bueno ikiolo ya kote bigoro ya ruto wa ruto kutata kimu Kenya kwa waina hivi ndio yao kwa ndani mudiri
mbia mono sana
nimetenga kuwani itakuwa
sawa nguko irandeli yale
ruto amangana rutaro gabe yani ngendo ngiyo pi
mbia mono yes kwa kure bunago tena
mbia mono
nikakwanire ngani kutenga kila mara chirani chinyinge ama tukonsi lakini nga andaki bintu bya kinire ligo liri obugima lya kinire
mbia mono egento aba Kenya bwente kumanya edora bono iga yarenge 160 darogere 129 obo sie bwa renge 250 egara William Mwaka president yare bori 180 ebinto mbira kina mono compared to any other country toko compare to oise kolige no Kenya ne robo tamero bwa banta abange baruete Congo abande baruete Rwanda abande baruete Burundi there are several of them even in Kisii town here meaning Kenya obo gimebo kongete worldwide abande bakona gotama bakagera nganka yibi to bire buyake igo na batora kairenge tore ba mono lakini live ya beire nkong all over the world including ya bali bamenya ta America kale live ya rero ebintu mbi kongeti lakini mbi kongeti mono so William is trying everything to do ensuring life near affordable to Kenyans life na be kongeta igo globally
yes oyo mobolia yes oyo ndobolia nga chi
lakini kutenga ndio sababu nilikuja hapa watavana ki twatebire university nero twatebire airport ngochere SGR ngochere affordable housing into chiroche university tongolani chire ikase bine kutenga gani tana kyare binde imbiro already
akubulinga chire chike chabere chinyinge ninki kirakoreke nga ndire likachi goikirana
no ikina kwa na njikiranete we are talking about the university there you can visit Kiabonyoru and you are able to look at it you can go to the airport ya Sunekali and see what which is going to happen the president yotote bring in 5 months there will be an airport universities have been streamlined we are able to see because the students ingo soma bale ngo korabara matebunga bonaiga and the lecturers are there you can ask them like things are moving on Chinyo pamojiroje free affordable housing they are standing tariyendo monda kweko moguko so even the beyond simpiro chipara chego tunga kitutu chache notiga ngoko no chipara njiro siri chira mikitaka bero kuruka nyinge sana
yes
asengencho from Nganyari otrimboka chipara njiro wo soro mata alisirvano so soro we were there the president was launching routes you are able to see them. The markets are able to be seen. Just a moment. Yes. I'm also talking about our stadium here. 1 billion upgrade. Yes, in the next 1 year, this stadium will not be the same the way it is. These are things you are able to see. Market, you cannot hide them.
Maybe the director, unaona oyiga Tamara akoteba ngokoro chinse muchata baka akoteba good work Tom Nyakundi akoteba yuko tuned in mwalimu Amos Bosiro nseri abolinga if they can be paid to attend a meeting rest assured they can also be paid to vote against you. Oh, okay. na mamake Ruth agotebanga kurwa mabiria ime yomoroberio na poigo Jackie Imbaya agotebanga Dr. Jared sasa abu negatia bali basangire bagendete gusanga na into korende ndo chechi simiga chigendete guswa asengencho yebiro ntogochia kogendera kubwate simi ase chingaki chiga. Thanks director for the good work, but how comes the president last time he launched Kemera Kiendege Gachuba Keumbu road that was done 2 kilometers, the president relaunched the same road this time round from Keumbu Gachuba Kiendege then Kemera, yani para ya launch gukurunya mira bono ya chage tukuru Keumbu.
Again, the Ginaka online, like the president, I don't get the party kindly. The party get to the Masava, ne go and say to Gali. Kindly, president, I don't get the party. President, the garden at the Keumbu, I got the your project. There was a problem with the contractor. It answered then. You too. I went and we launch. It was not part of the program because I was with the president all through. We will not launch that road. Kindly. The party contractor, what the problem? The contractor will be changed so that you can record.
Mbona sana singencho ndo chenye biro bya menyokire na pokunyara gusanga no mwancho murigire umumanyinga andake anomono umurayo lekiro goboniga naki agwatana na siasa na magendero kero tugukorera
umugambi lekiro go William Ruto na bata to develop all parts of the country
na barai bachori biro gukorwa kusi
na barai bachori biro gukorwa kusi na they are working hard to ensure buna development ya korekanire because the report form na to jikoro kya magenda rungi wakorire abantu bamaye gochora both MCAs, members of parliament, governor na president igo engaki ya sire goika to correct that's why William Abekere to be I promise to Kenyans na I promise housing I will deliver na I promise water I will deliver na I promise SCR is delivering SCR at the cost of 300 million igadi na I promise stadium when you go to Ngong Road the largest stadium take note ndia ba Kenya totally pious the largest stadium Taranta the largest in East Africa is complete. Bomas of Kenya the largest conference center. The largest conference center. Independence. Take note, all presidents have avoided to upgrade Kenyatta International Conference Center. William Ruto has had courage. The largest conference. Is doing very well.
Director kubwatekana na ogunchorera kwa siasa kwa beire engane yo mocha so mugusio butuku bwa lero ilikwene kibuna amagendera ikiranire magendera ali abekirwe nsemo na ali andake abantu baganyerete nyarago sanga na barubunga na kimugusia bwana tukoibeka kwene kibuna ayonsi aikiranire
bana mbuya mwana Matilda. I'm happy naba invited igega se studio abagusina abagwenda kumanya buna mola ibwense William Ruto na atageta kwenda mind all parts of the country because we pay taxes tigatwa chamo for the sake of development twe karansi umugambi bwense ngatwa mu karansi kama the water Helsinki takera kokoro and is doing it even though eminent we were with the very eminent was there in the state of the president one develop after the other. The president made a commitment. He reminded us, na wete a plan and is going to deliver. He's going to deliver all the promises he made, whether it's roads, whether it's sports, water. Yes. And I'll be here in 5 months. Going to airport areas, I didn't Kenya the stadium in 1 year. Gusi Stadium will be different. The university will have an intake in September. Amaje we launched. Nyagitari KMTC in billions. We launched those tales. Not air, but work going on at Nyamira KMTC.
Mbia mwana sana. Na asingencho chi project nechi nyingi cho tutanyara kumurikira boniga. Na bokumo okukwani ondevensi chinga kechiga ondevensi oli okoligereti elinde tunyare soka
kwa njuga monde gerete mwensi including my father Tom Alvayo Ngwaya and my mother Alice na bonsi ava Kenya wapa gusiba itasemwa beta. I'm happy to be here to share and I'll be here more frequent so that tunyare kwa to share na hata me I'm not a politician me I'm working for this government and we will work together to ensure that the promises which were made have been realized. We are not Kenya 7.
Mbia mwana sana mwancho murigereria mbia mwana kiagira gwasangire na intwe kuri ndonyo gwa kesi miao titochietie kubogoria na sengencho ibiro byanyare gutomiga na buigo okubori kwao nyogwato mukubori gose ujumbe iyo tutaika gusoma na nigo tugusaba okwabera ibiro bono byatonyore mbia mwana sana asokugendera gusanga na intwe na buigo buna kwegure mo director ongo ya goteba amatuka make nande ntuborangeria iga anyare gutweranga emirobiri iga ti project chi gache serikali chi kirani nigakora sensemeri ya Water Resources Authority nere director Ongwae kosejare Dongwae mekenya nchinguru kwa Matilda Oboigo gendera koligereria Getembe TV na boigo gendera gusanga na intwe ase chinsemo chiria chiemetanda mbia mona sana soko gendera kwa yechora Getembe TV una TV yao ya bene karibu tena
ya mwana asante
Omurayi omukuru bwense ya Burkina Faso Thomas Sankara niga tebete nige kuira ekerengo gete ky'obubalimo kibirengereryo eliokolenta amoncheryo ya magenderero asama tukabusyo nakyo gekogera omuseneta Gloria Oruba erure koba ebalimo yaino aso musimamo y'omutindi akonye kurwanirira omugusi inyora omusike Oruba niga alinge omuseneta omuchorwa w'ekyama gya serikali gya UDA kurende agesokya kubwatisya omurwanirira rw'ekerugo ky'oburayi bwense kurwa orogonko rwagusi omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange bakamuruke balimo igoika kaurwe kerugo kyaye ky'obuseneta asogotenena n'omugusi omwabo nonyabono atabwati emirimo obeire okurwanirira abasubati w'ekinya ky'uchumi koenana ebitamba by'obuchenu naboigo kurwania chisegi kyegenka bono nigo aboliri omugusi komochora buna omu women representative bwe county ya Kisii asobochori bw'omwaka ogocha elio aire obubalimo bwaye alya sebunge agenderere kurwanirira omugusi emeremeye nigetagete omusubati omulemu Oruoba narokwe balimo takumeti kugicha obubalimo obo bokonye kurwanirira omugusi mbuya gutwara omusubati omulemu gose balimo kubwa gutwara omusubati omwoba okoni gesaku oyo nere Gloria Oruba ebalimo yagusi
ine kwabirgo kolya eroadshow track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo eratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate roadshow track experience niyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabirgo kolya track yiga ya roadshow iyo rakorere product launch use emisangerekano ya gisiasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye ci roadshow chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoletere track yibwate bagaliya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiriya nigo liriya kegema eryo lichujugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwate ci DJ Janjere ci MC nabwigo track nabo kugitumika asobokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsemo abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya street yagoteka babuna street ndeyonsi chingaki obunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimu gwetera senamba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chiga eldio oikera bantabange esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake y'umutinyo gatano EU ebwata chikosi buna Agriculture and Environment Studies asiba kwiga Agriculture and Extension mbwate course ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering asiba kwiga Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo nkwiga bale Plumbing, Masonry, Building Technology, Civil Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwiga bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwiga bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwiga bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design nkwiga bale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Samaria tane ngoro kwa James Barare Nyakundi, principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College. College ito igere ya serikali bagosomya abana courses cy'obugundi asama ngane school fees ya serikali njayira netinse na kero mwana ko report ebese ikera abenga ya mokongeire nabo mwana agoja neri abwate enke umwana nainde ngwancherwale asabe kibasa cya serikali yakirido kuruka government scholarship cy'abana bago apply ekikero umwana ule school ago apply onyora nekibese kine kikomokonya ase akomenya esandagera akogurwa na bintu binde biraganirwa ase school abana nkonyora bale constituency bursaries uno mubungu Kitutu Masaba constituency Honorable Clive Gisairo neruwete sana kokonya abana barukurwe constituency yaye nande nko bakanira alekero umwana nkonyora ale kibesa ekyo gosoma nande natotebetinga mwana ndo wense goche school apply loan nkonyora ale karibu sana Kitutu Masaba elinde tuegero obugundi ochagotokonya asama tukagocha biamon
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga ose obakirisi ni gutrasi kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068 ninjolero eyubwenyorero bumanyi ubumurago konye asubugima bumakiaya.
Eyeiga ne machine ya 8020 ne machine eramong net machine chanuka best ekere machine eyeiga client ya gutumia ngokonyere emechando buna bono umuntu obwate high blood pressure muntu obwate emechando yechinengo chikomwati amagandi asomobere manyinga atayigutara buya bintu bikomobeta kurunse ekera akutumie machine ye 8020 ayana mariogara kero riberera riri gosoa erigokonya at least ya manyinga itatara buya amanyinga itasibiwo buchafura somobere bwasoka kurwa somobere